Imagine a house that doesn't begin with walls or rooms, but instead with empty space. This is Casa Soskil, a residence in Mérida, Mexico, designed by Ludwig Godefroy Architecture. Rather than focusing on built structures, this home is conceived from the void, a central garden that becomes the true heart of the design. Here, the garden is not the leftover space, but the element that defines everything else. Floating geometric forms rise among the site's pre-existing trees, shaping large openings that allow the garden to grow freely, while also shielding the home from intrusive outside views. These voids are not just about privacy, they create a profound sense of intimacy. Every corner of the house feels immersed in nature, offering the sensation of living both within and among the trees. The site itself offers a unique duality. At the front, bright sunlight floods the space, while at the back, dense tree canopies filter the light into gentle shade. Two contrasting atmospheres, light and shadow, coexist, and the architecture embraces both. At the sunlit front, the design establishes an active social hub, with a swimming pool and an open terrace. Toward the shaded back, a calm social retreat invites relaxation, complete with a study, a daybed room for naps, and a fire pit for quiet evenings. These two poles are connected through a walk across the garden, the green lung of the house. This passage is not just circulation, but an experience, guiding you from the vibrancy of sunlight to the stillness of shade. The entire ground floor is opened up, erasing the boundaries between indoors and outdoors. Bedrooms float like tree houses among the existing canopy, offering privacy while maintaining a seamless relationship with the landscape. By reversing the conventional model, transforming the idea of a house with a garden into a garden with a house, Casa Soskil redefines what living space can be. It's not just architecture. It's an experience that reminds us that emptiness can be just as powerful as what is built.